Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all had a good Christmas. We're out today, Boxing Day. Gonna go to visit a lead mine, one of the biggest lead mines in mid Wales. Have been there before, but there's so many to see here. So we're gonna come and go see the older workings. I was here about 3 months ago, and it was really wet. I don't know if you remember, we couldn't get across the water. So we're gonna go into there today and some of the other workings that we haven't found before. Got Chuck with me again today. Chuck the slipper. Hopefully he stays dry because there is a water crossing to get into that first and second one. That's where he normally has his problems. So hey guys, we'll see you up there. Right, we're coming up to our first Adit. The entrance would have been down from lower down, but it's been blocked off, so we're gonna get to a ladder. Taylor's Adit down there. We're gonna work our way. That's where we were last time we were. Oh, up there. We couldn't cross because of the water. So this is our first Adit. Nice entrance.
Holy shit.
Right, we've opened it up. That's where we're going. On this beautiful day. It's not raining for a change. And there we are going underground. Seems a waste, doesn't it, really? Right. There we go. I did this last time, I went down the wrong way. I need to turn around. If there's a wrong way to do something, I'll find it. Oh. Right,
Why do little holes look sketchier?
Oh, remember this tight. And we're in. Yeah. What a way in, eh? What a way in. Wet feet straight away. I haven't got wet feet going through the water anyway to get to the next Adit. So. It's a slight bit of rock there you got to clear, then it's open up then. Not too bad. Bit of water running down. And you're in. Don't recall water last time on this side. Shovel.
That's pretty cool.
It is, isn't it?
It's the creasing thing, right?
Is that what it is? Is
Crease
it?
pot, yeah. Still got something in there.
An old dynamite box, this?
I thought that was for daubing grease on stuff.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, the growths are mad, aren't they?
Aren't they? Plenty of oxygen, don't you?
Someone will know. Put it in the comments section.
Yes, guys, if you know, let us know. Yeah, dynamite box, do you reckon this was?
Oh, potentially, yeah. The thing is, though, I haven't seen a grease tub as like intact as that. You know,
No.
it's quite rigid still.
Okay.
Because as you imagine with the trackways, the tramways, they actually took quite a lot of constant greasing.
Yeah, you don't think about that, do you? What are these? These seem to be everywhere. Are they boxes for the fuses?
They are the things, aren't they? The caps.
Right.
Yeah, it's how they actually do the charge.
They seem to be everywhere.
Again, that's a nice nick, that one though, isn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it? Some more timber, would have been a box, I'm guessing, or something, is it? It looks like. moving. Yeah. It's a nice drill hole.
Yeah.
Wow.
Crisp.
Some more bits of boxes. So yeah, must have been a trial at it. Unless they did find something that way and then blocked it back up. Nice bit of quartz.
Look at the banding on that wood as well.
Oh wow.
I mean, what the hell was that?
Looks like a hand grip or something. You can see where it's been carved.
Yeah. That's a decent bit of wood.
Oh, it's water. I thought it was a crystal coming off the quartz.
I'm always interested to see what the quartz is holding.
Lace, is it? Yeah. Thought it was a fuse.
Because it's interesting, because did you know that this lower bit is copper?
No, I didn't.
It's up the top that it's lead.
Wow, there's loads of gleaner here, isn't there?
Yeah, oh yeah, because they were finding gleaner in the comet load anyway, but the copper was essentially the comet load and the king side was the lead, I think.
All right.
But yeah, they were actually after way more copper than you think down here.
This bit of wall, brilliant, isn't it? Look at that. Real flat.
How do they even do that?
Wow. Like slate mine or something, isn't it? Right, we've done this one out a dead end. There's 2 trial adits down here. Couple of things here and there. Back out. Well, you haven't fallen in the first one. You might have broken the curse.
Good old.
Back to this ladder.
Put so much effort into keeping that adit open.
A lot of work put into it, isn't there? Considering what's in there. Oops, that comes off. And there we are, guys. The first one. We'll see you in the next. Way up, you are climbing up the scree piles. Gonna be like Captain Jack Sparrow. Where's me rum? There we go. So we're onto this level now. Tramway takes us over. This is the level I was in last time I was up here. It was just too wet to get across. The force of the water just took you straight back down there. I just couldn't do it. Gone to the higher one, which we'll do again today, because it's quite spectacular, isn't it, once you're another open stope. So we'll look at that again. So hopefully we can get across this water. Let's go and find out. Right, here we are, guys. So next at it. This is the one that I failed miserably to get across last time. Very slippery, so you've got to be careful, obviously. I mean, the water was here. It was coming down here. Can't believe the difference. I'm going to take the camera off for this one, guys, till I get to the side. But I will try and film the truck coming across, because obviously something always happens. See you across to the side, guys. Right, we're across. So hey, all you now, Chuck. No pressure. You got this.
It's a little slippery.
Test every foot, because you do not want to go down there.
Oh shit.
Definitely the fastest way down, but
That is so slippy. I don't even know if I can do that.
I put my foot straight on the up here. I did. It wasn't too bad, but
Don't put your foot anywhere. Oh.
we'll catch you back for take 2 in a minute, guys. Right, we're going for it. We're going to go for the higher, because we said we do not want to end up down there. We really don't. We've got a helmet on now just in case that does happen. And hopefully if you just fall over here then you won't go any further. Oh! Alright! Oh wow! Fair play. Right, in we go guys. Right, we're in guys.
That's got to go.
That's this gate.
I like the little raised bit they put in.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the wall.
Is this our warning?
Yeah, that's a warning, I'd say.
Yeah, no public entry.
Oh wow, yeah, they've had a lot of water in here. So when I was here just a few months ago, it was pretty bad. You see by all the foam. The water levels must have been so mad in here. I think even if we'd have got across, we wouldn't have got in here, you know. Looking at where the water's been even in the last few weeks. See that guy's on the wall where the foam is.
Oh, it's all frothy.
Yeah. That's where your level would have been. That's mad. I'd have been past my waist now.
Oh shit. That's been really high.
There must have been so much water coming on that waterfall.
I bet you that was Christmas Eve when he said to come.
Oh, it would have been. Oh, yeah, it would have been, wouldn't it?
Oh, this is really expensive.
Yeah, we were planning to come here Christmas Eve, guys, but the water was, well, we could hear it, didn't stop raining all night. So I knew the access wouldn't have been great again. There wasn't much point trying, really. There we go. Turn the camera off now. I'm filming a bit further up the Adit. Very silty, isn't it?
That's the way they say don't go, isn't it?
This way?
Is this the way you went?
I think that way to the waterfall.
Oh, let's go to Waterfall then.
Do you want to look down here?
Well, we will, but we'll do that on the way out.
We'll do that on the way out, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the waterfall's this way. Should be able to hear it, to be honest. It's a hell of a noise of water. A toad. I saw something move. I thought it was a leaf or something then. It was a toad. Off he goes. Oh, let's see what the footprints were. Like animal footprints. Yeah, what is that?
Someone's been in with their dog, yeah.
A dog, you think?
Massive dog.
That's a massive footprint. I mean, for scale. I've got the smaller sands. You think dog, do you?
Yeah, I don't think it's a bear.
I wouldn't say it's a bear, not where we live, but it doesn't look like a dog.
It looks like a big bloody dog.
I don't know, guys. I don't know what you think.
I never think I got that right. I've seen the Patterdale diving, they always think they want like a rescue.
I've seen people take dogs down mine. They're normally collies or something, or smaller dogs.
Yeah.
Not, I mean, that was... I didn't even know.
It's like taking my child down and I don't do it.
I won't take my dog. She'd run into down a bloody winds or something. Just hyper.
Oh, okay, so.
We haven't heard any water yet, though. And you'd be able to hear the water, trust. Hang on. Hear that? That's the roar of the waterfall, guys. So look, there's a stope here. All working platform. What a beautiful stope. It's a fair load, isn't it?
They did the Stope Survey from this bit.
They did. So these are the platforms they've put up to stand to work on, you know. I stand to hear the roar of the waterfall. I don't know if we'll get through it today, guys. We just managed to get through last time. There's a bit of force coming down, and then we'll go up then to the next level where you'll see the source of the waterfall. Wow, how do you think, hey?
It's interesting that we're sort of following the rain.
Yeah.
If they wouldn't have had all the roof out, boys. And that's the head wall.
Get an iron in, yeah. Can I see water?
I can hear water.
And there's a waterfall in front of us, guys, I can hear it. Looks like a bit of flow down here today. Wow, 10 timbers. Wow, the spray's hitting me here. I can feel the breeze already. What? Hello. There you are, guys. Bit worse than usual. But if I fancy it too much. Yeah, guys, we're not going to do this today. It's just that much water. Look at it, wow. So we're going to go to the top of this waterfall now. The source of it. There's another waterfall. It doesn't go that much further. Like I said, it's a dead end then. But we'll do it again. Right, up we go. Some more beautiful formations. Say again? It's not down here. It's just a big echo, mate. Wow, look at that. Isn't they beautiful? I'm quite lucky with the stalactites in the last couple of mines.
They're fatties.
Aren't they? Beautiful. Strange shapes. Gives you kind of scale there, the size of them. Beautiful. Look at that.
That doesn't make sense.
I think you get mixed up with the one above. That has obviously got the false floors because you can see it. You're walking along, there's just holes.
Yeah.
And that's if you turn left, for this one straight on.
Yeah.
Well, it's above. You've got left or right, and left is false floors. And right must be, because that's where the waterfall coming from.
That's quite an echo.
There is, isn't there? Echo. Right, out to this one, guys, and then up to the top level. Right, we're out. We've got this crossing again.
Oh, shit, I just remembered.
What, the crossing?
Yeah. Jesus.
Hopefully I'll manage to get past now without falling. Because like you can see, it's a hell of a slide down. And that's hopefully if you stop as well, you don't go off the waterfall. Gonna brave it and film as well. I got this. Hey! That's the way to go.
Which way?
High. Higher. That's it. High, high. High, high.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, this isn't good. This is not good.
Are we done?
Bam.
We did not end up down there.
And that would suck.
But we are going up here. And that's our next level there, just top of this waterfall.
Okay. Right, it is risky actually.
We find some great routes. Careful. Stick, jump over to the stone down here. Obviously miss the big rock. How beautiful is it? Absolutely stunning. Alright, we'll see you up there, guys. We're just going to go to that level, just up there. And that's the way into the next one. So here we are, guys. This is one we did manage to access last time, but a bit more light today, so... This is the one we were in last time. I couldn't get to the end of next to that waterfall because it was just too wet, so we'll try and get there today. Alright. Right, we're in again. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
This one's a bit more claustrophobic.
Don't worry, mate, soon opens up. Very much. We'll see you at the end of this one, guys. So, same false floors, I can't remember if I filled them last time. So, good job, it's flooded really. You take the weight a little bit. Not that I'm standing in the middle, obviously. Bit of sense to us.
You just wouldn't know then, would you?
No, you wouldn't know. There's holes everywhere there.
They have tried to stop people coming down this way, but
That's a brilliant little dam there just to stop us.
that stopped me.
So we'll go carry on this way, guys, to the source of that waterfall that we saw underground a minute ago. We're going to go to the source of that, and there's another waterfall that comes down to source that one, which is at the end of this tunnel. Yeah, we'll see you at the end of the Adit. Right, we're coming up to the open slopes here now, which is probably the most photogenic part of this mine, I think, this whole mine. You see the daylight coming through. It's absolutely beautiful. You hear the waterfall. There was water coming down this bit here last time. There's nothing today, so you can see the difference. I don't know if we're doing any justice, honestly. It's unreal. You see the waterfall, the water running down. It's beautiful. Camera never does this any justice at all. Yep, carry on. waterfalls. And then this is the source of the waterfall that we were just seeing.
Which means it's not flooded underneath here.
No.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's the source of the waterfall that we just seen. You can keep going if you want, like wooden things down there.
Have you been?
Yeah, yeah. You take to the bottom of the waterfall. This is where the that guy's grandfather died, standing here. Is what it says on the video, yeah, there you go. There's the source of that waterfall. A lot less water coming through here today. You can actually get to the wooden structure. This is about as far as I got last time. I couldn't get any closer. So this is a waterfall, obviously you can see in the open stope.
Oh look, they sandbagged it up so this is always flooded out.
Ah, yeah.
So there is stuff past there.
Okay.
But they don't want you going.
They don't, do they?
They've literally
Wow, the
sandbagged
thing
it.
was the fun above me, all this weight. Oh my god. That's worrying. Right, guys.
They've done that deliberately. To prevent people carrying on. It's all sandbagged.
Yeah, it's deep there, isn't it?
I mean, you could go through it, but...
Not today. Summer job, that is.
Yeah.
We'll be back in the summer, guys. Oh, look, there's something you can see on the other side of that.
Yeah.
The slope on the other side.
Yeah. I'd be well worth it. They're swimming through there.
I think, what's his name, has been here. I think he mentioned on one of his videos that he's come from that way to here and realised where he was. So there is another access to that, because he's definitely done it.
Yeah.
Nice. We've got a film on me just in case. It is truck we're talking about, yeah.
That's so fucking slippy. I'm going to do what you did.
I would do what I did, because it worked.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, you actually prevented me going over that.
Oh, someone up there, look. Right at the top. Wow.
With the dog.
There, yeah. Oh yeah, the dog there. Oh, can't see him. Whoops. I lost him. Yeah, guys, this is the source of the first waterfall. So that's what we can see coming down into the Stope, which is down there, which I'm not going to get too close to. Look at that, you see a false floor there. Mad. You can see the timbers down there that we were looking up on. Beautiful. Right guys, we've just bumped into a local who's sent us on this way to go and find
The prehistoric workings.
a lot of old tools and things left there, a lot of things apparently, if you know what you're looking for. So we're entering up the side of the hill now to see what we find. We'll see you up there, guys.
I bet you all the river stones.
We found a big stope here, goes down. Not sure if it's here or not. We know it's like a bit of an open bit like this. What we're looking for. So we're going to keep looking, guys. We'll let you know if we find anything.
No, would you?
No, there you go, look. Only because well, the water rocks are from the waterbed, and if you can see where we are, yeah, that's where they would have come from, down there. And they obviously don't belong here. So these are ancient tools, hand tools.
You can see that's come from an impact.
Yeah. How mad's that? Wow. Look at that. That's mad.
You can see they've been napping with it, look.
Yeah.
That's just, yeah.
Thousands of years old. Oh, that's wicked. Thanks, local guy. Right, we're going to find some more adits. Well, this is literally everywhere. The university, I think, have been up here and they've documented a lot of these stones. And just look, they're everywhere. You see the numbers on them. That's what the red writing is. They're literally hidden away everywhere. I'm not going to show you where, obviously, guys. Nice to keep them hidden. That's what's all under here. It's just all these ones from the river. They're all ancient tools. That's mad. And they're everywhere. There's a few on display, but yeah, that's mad. Right, next adit, guys. Right, interesting find on the way back down. So last adit. Oh, if I can get through here. A big F. Oh, that's weird. I don't know if I can get past that. Is that Stope under the adit or something? Yeah. You have a gander? Oh, weird. Oh, it doesn't go very far. That's a definite Stope.
Holy fuck.
Pardon? Sorry guys, you got a bit
Sorry.
overwhelmed. Stope there as well, isn't it? Oh, it's massive Stope. You could go that way, but if you slip, you're gone.
And that's just going straight down to it there as well.
Yeah, just another Stope inside. Is that a rope? There's a rope there ready. No way. Well, that's a good one to come back to.
That's I've been putting really recently. Look how clean the bolt is.
Yeah, and nice access. You can clip straight into it on the descender and go down as well. Ooh.
That looks good.
Yeah.
You want to be careful on the fucking entrance. On the entrance.
Beep, 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 beep. Sorry, guys.
But yeah, that entrance, that is mental.
You see my entrance. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
That's very modern. That's accessing all sorts.
Yeah. We'll be back there. Right, next at it. Right guys, a little bit gutted. We've got back down. That's where we climbed up. We were walking up on the way up there. We saw this. There's a sign here. Oh wow, definitely not it. Definitely not. Definitely was. But it'll soon be filled in, so absolutely gutted. Time to find any other ones, so it might be another trip. We'll have a little look. We'll get back to you guys. Right, that's it guys. We're not going to do any more today. We're running out of time slowly, it's getting darker, so we're going to call it a day. But we will be back. There's so many adits yet to find that we haven't found yet. So much to do. So hope you enjoyed guys. Until next time, thank you.